A man's appeared in Christchurch District Court after allegedly breaking into several houses and attempting to rape a number of women this morning. Our reporter Conan has been in court and joins me now. Kia ora, Conan. What do we know about what happened?
Well, look, we're pretty limited in what we can say at this stage now that the case is in front of the courts. But from what the police have told us, all of these incidents, there were 5 of these incidents, 5 home invasions. And we know they happened within a really short space of time this morning. They all happened in in close proximity to one another in an area close to Canterbury University, where a lot of university students live. There were 3 home invasions on one street, and then another 2 on the further 2 streets that join that street. And we know that the offender was apprehended in pretty quick order because by late morning the police were saying they had somebody helping them with their inquiries, as the police say. And then soon time after that they said that they had somebody appearing in court.
And so what are the allegations? What's the man being charged with?
So there's 5 charges of burglary. That's 1 each for each of those home invasions at the 5 houses. And then we have 3 of assault with intent to rape, and then 1 charge of strangulation. And we know that the 3 charges of intent to rape, they involve, and 1 charge of strangulation, they involve 3 of the 5 women in total that were involved in this.
So incredibly serious charges. What happened in court?
The 45-year-old who's been granted interim name suppression, he appeared in the dock. He was wearing a prison-issue smock and was in bare feet. The judge asked him at one stage if he had anything to say, to which he said he was very sorry for what happened. And at that point, the Judge Quentin Hix intervened and said, look, you better not say anything else until you've talked further to a lawyer. The judge remanded him in custody. There was no application for bail for 3 weeks, and he'll reappear in court once he's had a chance to talk to a lawyer again.
And so what have the police had to say?
The police have really praised what they've called the extreme courage of all of the women involved in coming forward so quickly, and they say this enabled them to respond as quickly as they did and get this person off the streets. So they've said that all 5 women were extremely courageous, and all 5 are receiving support now.
Thank you for that. That is Conan, our reporter in Christchurch, who was at the appearance of a man who's charged with 5 counts of burglary, 3 of assault with intent to commit rape on a female, and 1 of strangulation following what is being described as a series of home invasions this morning.